I just wanted to quickly introduce you to this very interesting website called as CoinChefs. I have been using it for some time to convert from one cryptocurrency to another. I know that for the last almost 2 years, there has been crypto winter and no one really wants to hear about the cryptocurrencies. But if you still hold or hodl some of the crypto coins and you are just looking to convert few of those, then this might be a good one. I'm not suggesting to buy anything from these guys. I'm not affiliated or associated with them. I'm not getting any commission, and it's not a financial advice whatsoever. This is just a in something of interest that I found, stumbled upon, and I thought, okay, this is quite a interesting website. There are a few others, but I think I have found out that this one is quite easy to use, and so maybe give it a try if you think that this is something of interest. So it is simply a coin exchange rate calculator, as I said, where you can not only go with cryptocurrencies but also go with the world currencies. And then there are some ads too. So it's not a free website as per se. I think they are using Coinzilla to display some of the ads. So all in all, pretty interesting. If you have used it and have any um, interaction with them, and if you want to share anything, please put it in the comment section, as I'm keen to hear as how they are doing, especially in these cryptocurrencies. And because this seems like a new Web3 brand, so maybe if they are generating good amount of attention, maybe crypto still has got some hope. So very keen to hear about your thoughts or experiences with CoinChefs. Thank you.